Once upon a time I had a fine rhyme in my mind. I had to remind in due time, like every time I close my eyes, every time I feel so blind. Look up and up to the sky, look down, look up the street, look at the avenue. Everybody's laughing at everything in this world is so fucked up. Feeling like I'm grown up, only 28 years old, walking down hell's road. Never fucking fold. 2 aces spitting in my motherfucking haters' faces. And I'm top of my class, I'll be the one with the 5-finger discount. They're slapping that ass, bitch. Cause I be slipping and sliding all the time, busting and rhyming. Nobody can climb up the slippery slope. My fucking style could be creatively described as dope. I'ma hit it all night, no joke. Like every time I close my eyes, every time I feel so high, every time I close my eyes, every time I wonder why, every time I close my eyes, every time I wonder why, every time I close my eyes, every time I feel so high.
Knock, knock, who's there? Lost opportunity. Can't vote me off about immunity. Thought the lunacy suited me beautifully. Watching my back with that dutiful scrutiny. Mutiny on the animal farm. So post the word on the side of the barn. Another black sheep looking for a scapegoat. Greedy pig trying to maximize payload. Chicken shit can't match my horsepower. See me duck and run from the beef like a coward. No fucking wonder you're done redundant. Stunned as the hunter becomes the hunted. Jump tracks like an evil axis of evil. The dose